It's Saturday morning. It's very early actually, and I thought I'd get out here and do stuff. If you sit in a chair all day, you'll end up dead and do nothing. So the job for the day is to get some things done out here. I thought just to start the day I'd have a look. Now I've managed to excavate back as far as my lathe. Something I found on here. Let's see if I can clean that up even while we speak. What does this say? What does this tell us about the machine? Well, it tells us it was supplied by Buck and Hickman Limited engineers of London, Birmingham, Manchester and Glasgow. And it's got a number on there, but it's still too dark to read it. But there we are. Look at that. Disgraceful, isn't it? Sawdust. For those of you that are learning about these things, that's a three-jaw self-centering chuck. Tall post and a compound slide. Oh, that's the thing for knocking it in and out of gear. You can lock it so it won't turn. That allows you to unscrew the chuck, knock it the other way, and it does turn. Look, how about that? Being an old machine, of course, it's flat belt drive. Yeah, wonderful. It's the thing for engaging the lead screw. But there we are, that's my lathe. Fantastic. Oh, there's another plate on there. What does that say?